Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to edit quick replies on WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your WhatsApp Business, and to edit your quick replies you can simply tap on tools icon, which is available in the lower corner of right side. So tap on it, then scroll down below. You will see the option of quick replies, so tap here, then tap on thanks icon here. Now see, you can even edit your shortcut words or reply message. Then everything is done, you can simply tap on save icon, which is available in the top right corner of your screen. So tap here, then see, your quick replies has been edited successfully on your device or your app. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.